Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Remember to activate the notification bell, and if you already subscribed to the channel, ring that notification bell as well to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm taking a closer look at this wireless mic. I got this wireless mic from AliExpress, and if this wireless mic looks familiar, it's because it's probably a copy of another mic that I have reviewed before, called Holy Land LAC C1, if I remember correctly. This mic cost me $27, around $27. I'm gonna list the prices right here, and the prices are gonna be in the currencies of the places my videos are mostly watched. So you should stay and watch the whole video if you want to find out how to use the mic, how to connect it to your phone, and you should watch the video to the end, because at the end of the video I'm gonna rate the mic, give it a thumbs up if it's worth it, or a thumbs down if it's not worth it. So let's get into it then, right? I'm gonna start by presenting the mic since I have it here. You can see it's inside a box, and behind the box you have this USB-C port where you can charge the mic. The mic comes with a USB-C cable, but that cable is the thickness of the cable is not that much. It's really skinny, but luckily I can use the USB-C I use to charge my phone to charge the mic, which is good, because sometimes you get something from AliExpress and the USB-C cable is tiny, and when you plug it to a normal USB cable that pushes a lot more current, the thing doesn't charge. But luckily this works with the USB-C of my phone. So if you open the mic, you have the mics in there. You have the receiver, and beside the receiver you have the two mics. This is one mic, and this is another mic. And in front here you have a small display that shows you the state of charge of the case. And this is just like, it works just like the case works just like any earbuds, wireless earbuds. As soon as you put the mic back in the case, it starts charging. When you buy the mic, you will receive it in a box like this. The brand is MI, Xiaomi maybe, MI. It says MI here, so it's MI, and the model is J88. There's not much inside the box. This is where the mic is when you get the mics, and in here you have the USB charger. That's all. And on this side of the box it says how to use the mic, but as you're gonna find out, using the mic is straightforward. The mic is ready to work. I mean, the mic and the box, everything, you can use it for 6 hours. So you can use the mic, and when it's flat, when there's no more charge, you put it back, you grab the other one and use it, and so on, and you can do that for 6 hours. How do you use the mic? Well, it's pretty forward. There's no need for a degree to use this mic. So you grab the receiver, plug it into the USB-C port. You can see it's already blinking, but there's only one mic blinking. You can see there, right? And then as soon as you grab one mic, you see now you have this symbol that shows that the mic is connected, and then you have the battery charge right there as well. And you have this a solid light right here, which means the mic is connected. If you grab the other one as well, then now you get two solid lights, and as you can see here, both of them are connected, right? On the side of the mics, you have a button with an M letter on it, and then you have a power button. So you can turn this mic off right here. If you press the M1, you mute the mic. Yes. And then when you press it back, the mic is on mute. And once it's connected, you just open your camera and go to video recording and start recording. Pretty straightforward. And they don't weigh that much, these mics. The sound quality. How does the mic sound? Well, the mic sound good. The sound is a little bit better than the one you get from your phone. But it doesn't sound like a mic that costs $200, a wireless mic that costs $200. It definitely doesn't sound like that. But the sound is good. And this is very handy if you're recording and you're two people, and one of you step a little bit far away from the receiver, maybe 2-3 meters away. Then the sound is still gonna be good, just like it's gonna be like you standing close to the phone, right? Because you have the wireless microphone. So the sound is on par with the price, I would say. Of course, if you're looking for a great sound and all that, and then you have the money to spend $200 plus on in a wireless mic, then you can do that. But these mics are for anyone who is on low budget but still want a wireless mic they can use that can record a usable sound. These mics are great for that. So if you have a budget of around $24 and you want to upgrade your mic, this is a good purchase. So what's the verdict? What's the verdict of this mic? Well, it's easy to use, and it's just plug and play. You have a carrying case, and it has a USB-C charger, which is good. If there's something I'm missing from this mic is the windbreaker. I know you can buy some windbreakers that you can attach here, but it would have been nice if these came with their own windbreakers, that actually fit. Just like the copy of the original of this, because this is a copy, they come with a windbreaker already. And if this came also with a carrying case, that would have been nice. But I mean, you're only using around $23, $24. So it's not a bad deal what you get here. So final verdict, I'm gonna give this mic a thumbs up, right? If you if it's very short and budget, tight on the money, but you still want to film video and still have a good sound, this wireless mic is worth the money. Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. If you loved the video, smash that like button. Support the channel by leaving a comment down below. If you're new here and you're not a part of PandaMate Squad yet, hit that subscribe button. Remember to ring that notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. While you're here, go watch the other videos I have on my channel, and until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.